Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious Pakistani-style fried rice. First, gather your key ingredients: 2 cups of aged basmati rice, 1 pound of boneless chicken, and a variety of fresh vegetables. Next, prepare your aromatics such as 2 cloves of garlic, a 1-inch piece of ginger, and 2 green chilies, all finely minced. Having everything prepped beforehand ensures a smooth and enjoyable cooking experience, setting the stage for a truly flavorful meal. Now, let's perfect the rice and protein. Begin by cooking 2 cups of basmati rice until it is about 3/4 done. This prevents it from becoming mushy later. Drain it well and let the grains separate. In a large wok, stir-fry 1 pound of boneless chicken, cut into small pieces, until it is completely cooked through and lightly golden. Season the chicken with 1 teaspoon of black pepper and half a teaspoon of cumin for an authentic Pakistani flavor profile. Next, we integrate the vibrant vegetables and the essential sauce. In the same wok, quickly stir-fry your chosen vegetables, perhaps 1 cup of diced carrots and half a cup of green peas, until they are tender crisp. For the sauce, whisk together 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of chili sauce, and a dash of white vinegar. Now, gently fold in the cooked rice, the stir-fried chicken, and the vegetables, ensuring everything is evenly coated with that delicious sauce. Finally, for the finishing touches and serving, gently toss all the ingredients together in the wok for about 2 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Garnish your magnificent fried rice with 2 tablespoons of freshly chopped cilantro and a generous squeeze of fresh lime juice for a bright, zesty finish. Serve this aromatic and satisfying Pakistani-style fried rice immediately, either on its own or alongside your favorite curry. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.